Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So to start off the look, I'm gonna use a very good eyeshadow base all over the eyelid, and to apply I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush because it makes easy the application and also helps me to control the amount of products. I like to apply the eyeshadow base but not too much. Next, as a dark eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use a brown liner, and this is a gel waterproof eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply in the roots of the lashes, also in the outer corners and a little bit in the crease, just to create a more dramatic look. Next, to smudge the edges, I'm gonna take a really small brush and nothing of products here in the brush. I'm gonna just diffuse the edges of the gel eyeliner that I just applied in the eyelids because I wanna keep the product exactly where I just applied it, but I really wanna diffuse the edges to avoid the harsh lines. Now I'm gonna use Dark Matter palette. This palette for me is a whoa. I really love it because the colors are amazing, very pigmented and high quality. So I'm gonna take the warm brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna place it right on top the dark eyeshadow base that I just applied. And I'm gonna just apply the eyeshadow to really set the eyeliner, and I'm gonna blend it later. In the lower lash line, I'm going to use a very small brush to apply the same color. And now with the same fluffy brush that I was using to apply the brown eyeshadow to set the dark eyeshadow base, I'm gonna just diffuse the edges without applying more product in the brush, just to create a perfect transition shade. Now, as the colorful eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use the green liquid lipstick, and oh my god, this color is perfect for the eyes, so I decided to use it as my eyeshadow base and not as my lipstick. So I decided to apply in the eyes, and I start applying like this with a small pencil brush to concentrate the color where I want it to be. So I let it dry a little, and next I diffuse the edges. Always applying the color carefully because I don't have to apply a lot of product. Using the same brush, I'm gonna apply right on top the pigments with some glitter. This is a mix that I created for a client, but I decided to use it here in this video for you guys. So I just apply a little bit on top in the eyelids to set the green eyeshadow base. Next, to set and to highlight the inner corners, I'm gonna use the highlighter from Artist Couture, and this is Gold Digger. And to finish the look, I just apply falsies, mascara. I hope that you love this look much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next one. Mwah.